Hi everyone. So tonight there is an after hours event at the Animal Kingdom. We're just about to head out to that. We just checked maybe an hour or so ago and it appears like the event is actually sold out. So I don't know how many tickets Disney sells for these, if they're capped at any amount. So hopefully there is, hopefully it's not too busy. But the parks have been pretty busy the last 2 days. So hopefully it's not overly crowded because we only bought these because we heard that like the waits are like 5 minutes. So we'll see how that goes. We're gonna have 3 hours there and then we'll be back here. So let's go see how busy Animal Kingdom is. So first ride of the night is Dinosaur. We're gonna see how many times we can ride everything. The event just started. I think it's 8:30 right now. So we'll see how many times we can ride everything.
8:30, right on the dot. Look at that.
Spinners, it's Chester here, reminding you for your safety to stay seated with that seatbelt fastened good and tight as you spin. Whilst you're spinning, keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside, and be sure to watch your children. Until the Triceratops comes to a complete stop.
As you're seated inside of those dinos, please do make sure that your seatbelts are securely back in front of the.
So this is our ride number 2 and number 3. What do you think?
Excellent time.
One time was true. You get to stay on a ride. It's Spice Girls.
Too bad it's not Flight of Passage though.
I knew exactly. I was like.
So like I said earlier, this is a sold out event and we literally just rode Expedition Everest 7 times in a row. We didn't have to wait. I think the longest we waited was 1 extra train. So if you're planning on doing this extra hours event, I definitely would. We're heading back to Dinoland right now. Gonna ride Dinosaur and the Triceratops spin again. And then we're gonna make our way over to Pandora and see how long those waits are, because that's probably where everyone is right now, but we'll see. But yes, we're heading back to Dinoland and Expedition Everest 7 times. So this is what the pathways look like at the after hours when it's sold out.
I'm eating all the popcorn.
I keep eating the popcorn. It's not like I can't get another one for free. So we're heading over to Avatar now. See if we can get on those.
All right, everyone, stay on your number and move your arms a bit. Okay, start scan. Start scan. You've all got them. But don't worry, they're very common around these parts. Let's start the decon.
Initiating GMR decon.
Stand still over your number. You're not going to feel a thing. You're doing great. Almost done here.
You're all clear.
Great.
Emergency exit. What? I believe we actually wrote it.
We ended up getting over to Pandora in time, and we ended up riding Flight of Passage 3 times in a row. I think the longest we waited was what, 15 minutes? And the other 2 times was pretty much just a walk-on. So if you're looking to do this after hours event, I would say yes, definitely do it. Like we said, we rode Expedition Everest 7 times, Flight of Passage 3 times, Dinosaur, and then Triceratops spin. So definitely do it. So we're heading out of the park now. It's now 11:43. It closes at 11:30. So our last ride we got in just before closing. And yeah, so next time you'll see us, we'll be back at the hotel. Or I'll just end the video here. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Hit that notification bell so you can get updated whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys real soon.